I don't know about you, but I really missed you. Good morning, internet. It is, what is it? 8:15 in the morning, and welcome back to the channel. I just got dropped off here by my parents, and look where I am. I am at Schiphol Airport. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff with me. This is all I'm bringing, and then of course, I have my helmet here as well. So it might look like I am going on a holiday, but I can promise you, this is not a holiday. I don't know about you, but I really missed you. I missed being on YouTube. It's been more than 2 months, 2.5 months since I was able to create video because of the lockdown in the Netherlands, and then it was winter and it was ice and there was snow, and I realized that I couldn't make content in the Netherlands anymore. It's now been almost a year since I left Peru. And I've been trying to be super creative in the Netherlands to try to keep working because, as most of you know, this is not a holiday for me or a break from normal life. I gave up everything to live on the road a few years back. It is what I do, it is my place, it's how I try to make a living. And I realized that I could no longer do that in the Netherlands. So I decided it is time to relocate. Traveling with Ronin, like across the world, is just simply not possible. There's too many borders still closed. So what I'm doing now, I am going to relocate myself, and I am moving to South Africa. That means that I have to start from scratch again. I'm going to buy a motorcycle in South Africa and do some local exploring there. And then I'll see, maybe then I'll sell the bike at some point and move to another country and do the same thing. I have no idea. Saying something like I'm going to travel from Patagonia to Alaska, you can't say that anymore. That's just, that long distance traveling, it's just not possible for now, and not in the near future, I think, as well. I think the world has changed a lot, and I think the world just took uncertainty to the next level, and I don't know anything. So I think this new season is, it is going to be called Destination Unknown. I have no idea where I'll go, where I end up, what's gonna happen. I have no idea. So the last few months I realized I cannot make content anymore, but I also realized that I was getting really, really unfit. I lost all of my fitness, and I was thinking, I am not even able to lift a motorcycle by myself if I'm somewhere remote in the mountains alone. I cannot even lift a motorcycle anymore, I think. So I spent the last few months training super hard to get fit again, so I'm able to do all the hard work that kind of comes with motorcycle travel and going off-road by myself in some strange place or in tough mountains. I need to be able to take care of myself. So I've been training super hard, and I just want to show you how that looked like. It's really strange being on the airplane again. I can remember very well the last time I escaped Peru, the relief I felt when I was on the plane, and now I kind of feel the same relief to be able to go somewhere again and to pick it up again, you know. And it is really weird because the plane, there are only 33 passengers on the entire plane, so there's hardly anyone. I have this entire part to myself. But yeah, I'm flying to Johannesburg now, South Africa. I'm super excited, and yeah, I just don't know anything. I have no idea what will happen. I have no idea what bike I will ride, where I'm going, how it will be. I'm just, everything is an uncertainty. But yeah, I'm ready for it. I'm so ready. We're now flying over Algeria, and it is so clear that I can even see individual sand dunes. It's amazing. And welcome to South Africa. I'm sweating like a pig. This is about, I think, what is it? 45 kgs. I'm carrying my helmet. And then this is another 10 or 12. And I'm walking here because there is a curfew. So I cannot make it off the airport. So I'm staying the night here at the airport hotel. But it's a little bit far. Why didn't I take a trolley? Why didn't I take a trolley? Oh, there's one. Oh well, now I'm almost there. It's over there. So it's just this little bit. But filming is a little bit hard carrying all this stuff. But I'll try it. Oh, thank goodness I'm super fit now. So I'm here, my new home, South Africa. I'm going to stay the night in this hotel, and tomorrow I'm heading into Johannesburg to search for a motorcycle. I'm going to find myself some 2 wheels. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. I'm so happy to be back. So if you liked it, please give a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.